We have here the TD001G, the 40V impact driver. As you can see on the machine, it's nice and compact. Forward and reverse done by the switch, variable speed by the trigger, 1/4 inch bit holder, twin LEDs, and then the auto memory selection. Depending on what applications you're doing, you can program that button. We then move down to the selections itself. There's 4 settings for the impacts, as well as 6 other assist modes, which include 3 for bolts, 1 for wood, and 2 for the tech screws. Move down to the bottom of the tool, we have the belt clip on there as well, and then obviously it's powered by the new 40V max battery. So that is the TD001G